In this video, I'll show you how to find a user on Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. When it's going to find a user on Telegram, you need to at first know the user you want to find, right? So you're going to use the search bar to find any user you want to search, right? You can come on here, I can type in Yomi course, right? Yeah, so I think I just found this user with a channel of about, let me see how many members are in the channel. 8,553 subscribers, right? And for you to be able to see the main owner of the channel, you're gonna check the channel bio, right? So I think this is main channel, this Yomi main. So this is inbox, right? You can see this is the user info. So this is how you can find a user on Telegram. You need to know who you want to find specifically, right? So as you use that search bar, this is search bar, you use the search bar to search the person name, right? The person is going to come out and you can be able to reach out to the person, interact or communicate with the person depending on what you have in mind. So this is how you can find the user on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm going to see you on the very next one.